fart in my goddamn car, bro? Damn, fam, chill.
Sorry. Jabalino. Oh. Sorry. Hi. Oh, sorry.
You gotta race something. So, did you just fart? What the hell was that? Oh my god! Did y'all hear that? I know that's gonna be on Twitch fails. Oh.
Oh, sorry. Oh, I'm more like a no deal. Sorry. Sorry. Oh, it's come back already. Oops, sorry. Oh, sorry. Wait. Oh, sorry. Oh, sorry. Oh, sorry. Oh, sorry. I wish nobody coming. Oh, so sorry. Good night, Betty. Wait. Sorry. Sorry. I'm just a very gassy person in general. Is it wrong?